365, but with a stack of modifications both inside and out. Most particularly, the interior has been completely restyled. I think you'll like it. Let's take a look. Broom 370, it's only got the one outside steering position, there's no inside helm, so you've got a lot of protection out here, good size windscreen, a nice roomy helm position here, room for a chart even, as well as your chart plotter, plenty of space for bits and pieces, and this cover that comes up and down very easily.